Hi, my dear viewers. As we all know, mathematics is used to sharpen our minds. It is used to solve the critical problems and it is giving the ability to solve the critical problems. Wherever there is much seriousness, definitely there will be some fun also. In this video, we are going to discuss such a fun. How to create a 5 cross 5 magic square. I hope all of you know we already have one video of how to create 3 by 3 magic square in my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched that yet, I have given the link in the description. You are free to watch that one, which will give you more idea on that. Let us get into the video. Consider the numbers from 1 to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All the 25 numbers as a 5 cross 5 matrix. Here, I noted the midpoints of the corner rows and columns. For example, in the first line, it is 3. In the last line, it is 23. In the first column, it is 11. And in the last column, it is 15. It is noted. Because we are going to draw a square. Within this square, not only a simple square, the same 5 cross 5 square as mentioned in this video. Now, join all the midpoints, separate the numbers like this in order to create a 5 cross 5 matrix. We created a square which consists of 5 cross 5 and there are around 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12. 12 numbers outside of the squares drawn here. Now we have to place all these numbers within the square in order to create this as a magic square. As we mentioned in our 3 cross 3 magic square video, use the same technique. Place these numbers in the opposite side of the square, especially the blank squares. Let us start with 1. 1 will be placed in the opposite side. Come to this corner, that is 25. The 25 will be placed in the opposite side, empty square. Get back to 2. 2 will be placed in the opposite side. And come back to this side, 20. 20 will be placed in the opposite side. Come back to 6 in the opposite side. And near that it is 24 in the opposite side. That will be placed exactly on the other corner. Now it is 4 to the opposite side. Now it is 16 to the opposite side. Now it is 5 to the opposite side. And obviously it is 21 to the opposite side. 10 to the opposite side. And 22 to the opposite side. And this will be acting as our magic square. Let us see how it is acting as a magic square. This is the perfect form for the better view. If you add row wise, every row, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, or fifth row, the answer will be 65. If you add column wise, the answer will be 65. If we add diagonal wise, the answer will be 65. That is, row wise or column wise or diagonal wise, the answer will be 65 for our magic square. That's it. You learned in this video how to create a magic square. Now, how to make a general magic square. Here we took a counter example of the numbers between 1 to 25 placed as 5 cross 5 matrix taken in the order. See, this is the one what we have created. The key element over here is the middlemost one, that is 13. What I am going to do now, find the distance of every element of the created magic square from 13. Consider this 13 as x. So let us place this x in the same place. Consider the number 5 over there. How to get 5? The 5 is x minus 8, right? That is 13 minus 8. Place this x minus 8 in the relative place. So what will be the next one? 21, right? The 21 is equal to 13 plus 8. So 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. Place this x plus 8 in the respective relative positional place. Consider the next number x plus 4. Place that in the same place. Consider 9, that is x minus 4, 13 minus 4, 9, okay? Place that in the respective place. You can see some sort of similarity, that is x minus 8, x plus 8 in the LHS and RHS, x plus 4, x minus 4 in the LHS and the RHS. In this creation of the general magic square, it is considered such a relative positions, that is the relations between the cells. For example, x minus 8, x plus 8, x minus 4, x plus 4, like that it is designed. X minus 1, place that in the relative place, and x plus 1, place that in the relative place. Similarly, do this for all the cells. So, by doing this, we will be getting a magic square. See, almost all the cells going to be filled, and we will be getting the magic square over here. So this will be our general formula for the magic square. You can substitute any value for x to get the respective magic square. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe and press the bell button. Meet you in the another video. Till then, see you and bye bye. Enjoy your days.